Well, this didn't turn out the way I wanted. I was going to do some hot tenting, brought my tent, thought my stove was out here in the truck, and it's not. It's buried under something at the house. So we're going to switch over to the Gazelle tent, and we're going to camp anyway. And had I known that, I would have brought my Mr. Heater Buddy. But now I'm going to sleep in the Gazelle tent with just my mattress and my and my sleeping bag and all that. So it's going to be a cold night. This is great. I don't care. I'm excited to be out. This spot that I'm in is amazing. So I'm going to get set up the Gazelle tent now.
It's always been you, Jesus. It's always been you, Emmanuel. Who gave me this courage? What torch lights my feet? It's always been you, Jesus. It's always been you, Emmanuel. Who brings life to
You know, I thought I'd be more upset that I forgot my stove, but I'm not. What I got to be upset about, man? I'm sitting in front of a warm fire pit. I got a belly full of ribeye. I got a spacious palace to sleep in tonight. There's just nothing to be upset about. Even the most experienced people make mistakes. But it's how you adapt to those mistakes, I think, is where the experience comes in. I knew I had this tent as a backup. I knew worst came to worst, I could make it work, and that's what I'm doing. Been a great day. It's going to be a cold night, but I also planned ahead, and I brought a sleeping bag liner. I've got my wool blanket that I can put on top of me. Yeah, I got options, man. So right now I'm just gonna continue to enjoy myself and stare at this fire. Okay, I am in the tent, and once I got under all the covers I have and stuff, I tell you what, nothing beats wool. Nothing. But once I got underneath all these covers and in the sleeping bag, I'm actually pretty warm. I took a body warmer, a hot hands body warmer, and put it down at my feet. So basically I've got a sleeping bag liner, a fleeced sleeping bag liner, an old but really good Coleman sleeping bag, and I've got a wool blanket, 100% wool blanket on top, and I'm toasty. Like I said, I didn't think I would be, but you know, making lemonade out of lemons, that's what I'm doing. In the morning, I've got some firewood left. I may have a breakfast fire. I don't know. I've got bacon and eggs with me, but I've also got some oatmeal. So depending on if I want to get out of here fast or not, that depends on what I make. But thank you for sitting around the fire with me, and we will see you in the morning. Hey, good morning. And it was a cold night, but I made it. Actually, it wasn't that cold. I had enough layers to keep me warm. And a good old gazelle took care of the rest, took care of the wind. So this morning, I think I'm going to pack up and go. I was going to eat breakfast, but I got a lot of stuff to do today, which is my MO. I get up in the morning and I just go. I'm not interested in, slowly working into it. Since I don't drink coffee anymore, that's part of the reason, I think. So, thank you for coming along with me. I'll try to get you some shots on the way out if I can. Not an overall failure. Still had a great time, so as I said last night. So, get out there and explore, and we will see you later. Peace.
Whoa.